Hey, Moon, what's up?
Moon, did you not recognize me?
Sun? Why are you white?
Well, it's my new costume. Do you like it?
Huh?
Why, it's for the carnival.
Beat it, son. Tell me what really happened.
I think you've dropped something. There. Here.
Why are you yellow now?
That's because if you look at me without sunglasses from the cosmos, I will seem white to you. It's the Earth's atmosphere that makes me seem yellow.
And in glasses, the lenses are just made of atmosphere. Then why you seemed yellow to me before, when I wasn't wearing glasses?
Because I eat a lot of bananas, and now there's a delay in delivery. Hey, stop it, man. You making me itch.
Hey, Jupiter, move aside, let him go.
Jupiter? Whoops.
What are you doing now?